Hello everybody, it's Chris from Father & Son Locksmith, and today we're going to be programming a key for a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse. We're going to be using the AutoProPad Lite. I'm going to program this remote head key. Now, we're just going to be able to program the chip part in the key. The remote, we're going to have to do onboard programming, and I'm going to show you how to do that also. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a non-working key. All keys are lost. Let's go ahead and start the car. Sets right off. Let's go back to the machine. Let's go ahead and press Mitsubishi. Let's agree to their terms. I'm hoping you guys can see because it's really sunny outside. Let's go to immobilizer system. America. USA. We're going to go to Eclipse CAN 06 to 09. Now we got to go to all keys lost. Now I got a little stuck here. I had to call Raymond from tech support, X-Tools tech support, and he sent me over a list. This particular call, the pin code is 1530. 1530. Now we got to put the key in the on position. And press OK. It's communicating. Program was success. Next key, no. Alright, let's turn. Let's take the key out. Put it back on. So it's pretty easy to program a Mitsubishi once you have the numbers. And I'm going to share that with you guys because Raymond sent me a whole list of the pin code for all Mitsubishis. Now let's go ahead and program the remote portion. Okay, so now that we programmed the transponder portion of this key, we got to program the remote. The remote's not working. What I did is I took an old OBD wire. This was for my hot wire machine, which I'm not paying for the subscription anymore. So I cut it up. I traced the wires. We got to use wire pin number 1 and 4. And we got to put them together to make a circuit. So this is very important. First thing we got to do is stick the key in. Don't turn it on, just put it in the on position. We got to plug it in. You got to do this right away. It's in. Press the hazards light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 door cycles. And just take the key and hit any button. You can take your time with this. Where is the key? There goes the key and just hit it. Lock button. Now that's programmed. Let's take it out. It's that easy, folks. Now I'm going to do a video on how to make that OBD wire nice and easy. And I hope this helps.